Hello, in this video we're gonna check if all devices in Samsung Galaxy S24 series does have the Gorilla Glass screen protection. And to do this, first we'll need to visit our website hardreset.info, and you can see all of the devices name right here. Then we need to scroll down, and on the bottom there's a basic information and protection LCD. So the basic S24 does have the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3. The same is with S24 Plus and Ultra. It has a different protection LCD, which is Corning Gorilla Glass Armor. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.